So one of the things that you can utilize in Corel Draw is the perspective view. So to go ahead and enable it, you need to go around over here onto the object menu, then go around onto perspective, then choose draw in perspective. Once you go ahead and do that, you can actually choose 1 point, 2 point, 3 point worm's eye view or 3 point bird's eye view right here. Let me just go ahead and select, let's say for example, a 2 point view right here. Once you go ahead and do that, you can actually see that you can choose a top view, left view, or right view perspective right here according to what you like. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around onto top view, then I can go around, take a shape and simply draw around, and you can see that I can draw it on the top view right here. Simply I can go around onto the side view and simply draw the side view right here, just like this. Go around onto this side view and then you can simply go ahead and draw around a shape on this side as well. So this is how you can actually go ahead and let's say for example draw the shape according to how you want right here. So you can simply go ahead and then draw it in perspective, as you can see right here. You can even go ahead and change around the intersection point right here for each of the views right here, just like this as well, and then work around with how you like. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the perspective draw tool inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.